My earliest memory is seeing soldiers walking around the town during the war and see my father coming home dressed as in his military uniform. The North Wales Coastal Path is very special because of the variety of scenery and the tremendous history that's found along it. I've walked Penmaenmawr Coastal Path and it's very much the same. The beaches are different, the hills that fall into the sea, the cliffs are different with every mile. I mean, you mustn't pass Penmaenmawr on a coastal path. You must come down from it to visit the town. And here in the museum, you'll find all that is to be found originally in the uplands. We tell the story of the uplands and the coast as well in our museum.